Chic Dark Icon Pack is an Android application designed to elevate the visual experience of smartphones by offering a collection of sleek and sophisticated icons. Tailored for users who prefer a darker aesthetic, this icon pack features a modern design that complements various themes and backgrounds, enhancing the overall look of the device. The Chic Dark Icon Pack typically includes a vast array of icons for popular apps, allowing users to personalize their home screens and app drawers extensively. With its elegant and minimalistic style, the icons are crafted to create a cohesive and visually appealing interface. Compatible with multiple Android launchers, the app enables easy application of the icons without requiring complex setup. Additionally, Chic Dark may provide regular updates to introduce new icons and features, ensuring that users have fresh options to maintain their device's stylish appearance. Overall, Chic Dark Icon Pack is an excellent choice for individuals looking to customize their Android devices with refined and contemporary icon designs.